What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Altima smart key remote fob. This Nissan Altima key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we're holding our fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's these two notches that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver, one right here, and there's another one right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, stick it in that notch, either one of them, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. Then I'll come over to the other side, same thing. Then once the case is started like that, I'll take my screwdriver and just kind of carefully run it down the side. And then once it's split open far enough, you can just pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands, like that. And in the back half of our case, we see our battery right here. And in this plastic cutout, you can see right here, there's a little bit, in this plastic battery holder, you can see there's a little bit of a cutout right here that will allow you to get your screwdriver under the edge of the battery and get that battery out of the holder. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And looking at this battery holder, you can see the one side has this metal clip. That's the edge you need to tuck in first. So kind of start that edge in like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.